Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Kitchen. So we all know that the oldest method of cooking rice is to cook it in boiling water till it turns soft and then drain the starch water from it. But these days we do not have time for that, so that's the reason we cook it in pressure cooker, right? So when you cook it in pressure cooker, there is no way to extract the starch water from it. The reason we extract starch water is to remove the carbohydrates as much as possible from the rice. This is especially for people who are looking for weight loss. This is really useful because the more carbohydrates you consume, the more weight you gain. So today I'm going to show you the easiest method of removing starch water from cooked rice, that is pressure cooked rice, without even removing the rice from the pressure cooker. So shall we go? Then let's go. Here I have cooked 1 cup of rice as usual with 2 cups of water, and then here I have boiled 1 mug of it's about 500 ml of water in this mug. And what I will be doing is I will pour the entire water inside the pressure cooker and I'll just give it a stir. Just give it a stir. Then just cover and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. So what I do next is I just take a broad vessel like this and place a spoon like this. It's just for support. And I remove this gasket of the cooker. And I just invert the cooker like this. You see it? Just invert it and leave it like this for another 10 minutes. You see, I just inverted it and leave it like this for another 10 minutes. The water is draining into the vessel. I will just leave this inverted for another 10 minutes and I will show you the rice after that. So now I have removed the cooker and here you can see the water is completely drained, the starch water. So shall we open the cooker now? This is our cooker. You see the water is completely drained. Do you see? Each grain is separated and the rice is nicely cooked and ready to eat. Now I have transferred it to a hot pack. It's nice, hot and ready to eat. So if you liked the video and found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.